Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to see the hidden and the logged chats in WhatsApp quick and easy. If you have logged a chat, hidden it, or you can't find it anymore, WhatsApp has a simple way to access everything securely. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So in our step 1, you need to open the WhatsApp and go to the chats tab. So make sure that you are on the main chat screen. Here you need to look for the option of logged or hidden chat. If it is not appear here, you need to go to the WhatsApp special unlock feature. So here on Android, you just have to swipe down to the chat list and a new option will appear that would say logged chats. This section is separate from the normal chats and only opens with the authentication. So if you don't see it, make sure that you update your WhatsApp application to see the latest version. So here, if I just select any of the chats and if I tap on the option of lock chat and continue, it is going to ask for the option of my fingerprints and the face ID. So once the chat is locked, now you can see the option of logged chat here. When you tap on it, you need to again provide your fingerprint or your face ID, and now you will see your logged chat here in this section. Now in order to unlock it, simply select it first, then tap on the option of unlock chat on the top right hand corner. After that, again simply provide your fingerprints, your face ID or passcode, and the chat will be unlocked successfully. So this way you will be able to see the hidden and the logged chats in the WhatsApp. So you can also come in the settings of your device. In your settings, you can go to the chats and make sure that you back up your chat first. Here you can use the search bar on the top and look for the option of chat lock or lock chat. So once you are able to find it, simply tap on the option of unlock and clear the locked chats. So what this is going to do is this particular option is going to clear all the chats that you have made with that person and it is going to unlock it. So this is the last option if you are not able to find the lock chat option, but most probably if you have logged a chat, it will be available here on the home page. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.